So today's video is going to be on making this switch, which operates my small outboard trolling motor, into something that can be operated by this. Turn that on, press left, press right. I think this was like $15 or $18, $20 or something on Amazon, and it is a winch control, and this is all the instructions you get. Wire up this thing to that thing, wire up that thing to that thing, hot, positive, negative, go. Press the buttons for seconds at a time and call it good. So probably going to mount this right about here ish, and this is the cable, so we're gonna have to splice in here and dig out these wires, because there's my positive and my negative, so I can wire those in series or however I need to, and see if I can't make this thing work. So let me get this sheathing stripped off and see what kind of wires are in here, and then we'll go from there. And I think I'll probably need batteries for my remote controls, but I think this will be pretty cool, because then I can drive my boat from up there or back here or up top up there, or maybe from behind the boat while I'm being towed by a dinghy. That'd be kind of cool. So give me a few. So actually came with batteries, so cool. And it also looks like it has a waterproof seal on here, which when you're on a boat it's kind of cool. And it's got a little tether spot, so I'll probably put some floater ringy thingies on there. And I'm not super crazy about these kind of connectors, but I think in this very, very well protected area of the boat, this would probably work out well. So see if I can find a spot for to watch, but it'll be weird and awkward. Hold on. Yeah, maybe that'll work. According to the instructions, there's our wires coming down off this thing. White wire goes to something, yellow wire goes to something, red wire's hot, black wire's ground. We're going to start with the ground. And I don't know if I should mount this first or not. Oh, God, I can't see much on there because of my hands. Yep, this is garbage video. Welcome to YouTube 2006. Twist these two together. Stick my little cap cover thing. It's not a wire nut, it's actually a crimp connection. And I'm using it because I don't want to cut the wire. So I can stick that on there. Take my thing here and just crimp the crap out of it, and then we'll do a tug test and see if it works. And seems to be in there. So I'm going to repeat that process with the hot, and then I'm going to figure out if the red, which is not the hot, because this is the hot wire and it goes into the white wire, but I'm going to find out if the red or the green makes it go left and then right, and then go from there and see if this is going to work or not. So figure it out. Alright, small update. Power, ground, into there. Yellow and the white going to whatever. I just kind of shoved them into the wire things. So don't think this relay has enough power, and you can kind of see it. Hold on. It's moving the motor, but it just doesn't quite have the current carrying capacity, and these wires are warm. So we're going to need some relays to boost the output. Yay, more electrical. I figured this relay would be able to handle it, but I'm going to go ahead and guess that it just doesn't have quite the capacity to make it all work. So on to the next step, which will be putting relays in here or figuring out another way to make this work. I think relays will probably be the best bet. All right, so day 2, and I got it figured out. You didn't miss anything. It was just a bunch of me splicing and crimping wires into places and making connections and everything that needed to happen. So as it is right now, let me grab a pointer. Look at that. Ooh, pointer. Cool. Hot wire goes down to the starter main, so it has a full good constant hot. It's looped over to both of those relays and also looped over to this connector relay. Ground goes to the engine block. Come on, don't focus on the pen. So these are 5-pin relays, and please don't make fun of my wiring because I'm a pro. So 87A is in the middle there, and that is a ground. 85 is a ground, or 86, I guess it doesn't matter. Can't remember if that's 85 or that's 85, but this one right here is a hot. When the relay box senses the signal, it shoots 12 volts through either the white wire or the yellow wire. The green and the pink wires are the inputs to the motor. It grounds when not charged, and it opens and connects when it is charged to the big main red. I should probably dress some schematics for you guys, but as it is, remote control, no wires, right? Woohoo! You hold for 3 seconds, and then that is so cool. I can do this from anywhere. But also, my main control wired switch also still works in the same exact fashion. So, I started some schematics over here. I'll finish them up and put them on the screen so you guys can see them, and maybe it'll make more sense to most of you guys later on. But projects cost me like $30 for that box and $10 each for those two. Wiring and miscellaneous 5-ish, 10-ish bucks, I don't know. So for like $50 or so, I have 2 remote controls that I can operate from anywhere on the boat within whatever distance the thing is, doesn't even say. And I can control the outdrive. So cool. Hopefully you get this thing on the water, show you how it works in real life. Well, pushed it kind of late today. I mean, it's like 6:37, but that's pretty cool. It's a little loud, cable driven. I did replace the pulleys, the plastic pulleys, with some steel kind of pulleys. Worked pretty good. So can't be more pleased. Looking forward to putting this thing on the water and going from there. I'll try to finish up drawing the schematics and take a picture of them, put them on the screen for you guys. If you're looking to do something like this, or even maybe not this specifically, but wire in a winch control to control something else wirelessly. Could be really useful in a lot of different ways. I mean, sure, the automotive application with winches, exactly, but maybe in other ways too. So just let me know if you guys can use this knowledge, and if not, then cool. It is what it is. So should be the end of it.